There is a long road ahead, from powering supply chain execution in the AI agentic era to connecting the whole industrial chain.
What a journey. We have a reason for being here today, and for the name PeliConnect.
The reason I'm glad that you're all in this room today is simple. It's that's the work we get to do together.
That's what this is about. What I've learned in the last 6 years is that technology is half the story, is only half the story. The other half is in this room.
And today, I want to talk about my belief to build that self-orchestrating factory.
So how much time do you or your team spend not making decision, not making action, but just simply trying to identify which action would create the greatest impact?
This is an open discussion. We won't talk a lot. Actually, you will talk a lot.
You were very open, honest, and it made the workshops really interactive. The value of a day like that is when we exchange stories and anecdotes. So it's not just about Pelico, and we sincerely hope that you have been able to learn a few things, or that you now come back home with a few more ideas and insights that you didn't have this morning when you woke up.
Today is the room where it starts again. Push us hard, keep pushing it hard, and we'll keep moving you faster.
Welcome to PeliConnect.